Now we are going to one of the largest local market in Golakhat district. So this is the road that we are going. I think from the place where we are going, it will be at least 15 kilometers. See, the road is so zigzag like. You can see it's turning a hilly area. Bazaar. Again, now it's going downward, or the road is in sloping now. Oh, what a bumpy road. Oh, see the condition of the road. I'm afraid to drive even motorcycle. See, from the other side some vehicles are coming, and the road is so narrow. Oh, and the road also very dusty. This is the way. You can see all the houses on both sides of the road. You can see this is the market. It is one of the largest local market in the Golakhat district in Assam. From here, this market, the various clothes like auction and ready-made shirts, pants, various clothes are displayed from here. You can see many clothes are displayed here for selling. See, such a large market it is. See. You can see the vegetables, it starts from here. Huge area is occupied by the vendor of vegetables. See? You can see many kinds of vegetables are sold here. The playground is occupied by this market.
অসাপৰ পাতত কিট কিটকৈ কামোৰা গা দুৰ্বল আদি ৰোগ ভাল হয় পেটৰ বিষ
This side is the place where meat fishes are sold. See this is the place where fishes are sold. Here all the shoes, sandals are being sold here. Yes, Puja celebration is near at hand, so people are enjoying and they are here to buy their most precious attire. This is the Puja celebration pandal. This bazaar, which is called Subjuri bazaar, it is near to the National Highway 37. It is under Bokakhat subdivision. See at Subjuri bazaar or market, if you want to buy beds, chairs and benches, you can have an affordable price here. You can see here. See, they are available here. This is the Subjuri market, Tiniali.
Common mouth-watering sweets are here, and whole body chicken.
This is chili, and it is known by all the people of the world that this is the king of the chilies. Okay, because of this very pungent. And this you can see it's called tapioca, and this is bamboo shoot. Okay, and this is fern, and that's sour leaves. All these are uncultured vegetable. Okay, they are obtained from the forest without cultivating. Do you know what all these are called? I think it's sour. This is papaya, and these are all the vegetables that we get from the forest. So with this contents today's episode, I am concluding the topic. And today's, I request you to subscribe my YouTube channel, Blaze Hong Hang Presents. Thank you.